In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile color in Asana. Let's dive right in. To start, the first thing you want to do is download an image of the color you'd like to use for your profile background. You could choose the color blue or any other color that resonates with you. The key here is to download the image so it's readily available on your device. Once you've got your chosen color image saved, the next step is to open up Asana. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. With Asana open, you'll want to direct your attention to your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Profile. Click on Profile to proceed. Now here comes the exciting part. Once you're on your profile page, look closely at your profile icon. You'll notice a small camera icon or a button labeled Upload New Photo associated with it. Click on this camera icon or the Upload button to initiate the process of changing your profile background color. This action will prompt a file browser to open. Use this file browser to locate the color image you downloaded earlier. Navigate through your files to find the downloaded image that showcases your preferred color. Once you've found it, click on the image and then hit the Open button. By doing this, you're instructing Asana to use this new image as your profile icon background color. And just like that, your profile now reflects the color choice you've made. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize your Asana experience to better suit your aesthetic preferences. And there you have it. That's how you can change the profile color in Asana. A straightforward process that adds a personal touch to your workspace. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video. Your feedback is invaluable, and if you'd like to see more tutorials and tips, subscribing to the channel ensures you won't miss out on future content. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.